Hi there. I'm sure most of you have thought that why this Bitcoin or cryptocurrency market in general is so hyped up.
Well, today I'm going to try to explain the concept of Bitcoin and all the other cryptocurrencies which are called as the altcoins in simple terms. To understand the concept of Bitcoin, we first need to understand the concept of currency in general. In earlier times, we used to have exchange of items when we wanted to get something which we do not have in exchange of something that we already possess. So, for example, if I wanted to buy some apples, I would give whatever, let's say, oranges that I have to someone and get those apples. But this became very inconvenient form of exchange. So people started to give gold in exchange of items. Due to the availability concerns of gold, the concept of paper-based currency was introduced, which we see is being used right now as well. To control the flow and to preserve the value of this currency, the governance of this currency was given to a central bank. So a bank would allow you to keep your currency or whatever money that you have earned against your bank account number. These banks will in turn reinvest that money into different markets to keep the money flowing into the market. The problem with this is that the banks have full control over where they want to reinvest that money, so they can make mistakes. This was realized very strongly in the 2008 recession that we saw, and that's where the concept of Bitcoin came into picture. There was a white paper published in 2008 proposing a decentralized currency, and the Bitcoin was launched in 2009. The Bitcoin proposed to solve the issues created by the centralized currency by making it a decentralized currency. That means there is no single person or entity controlling the Bitcoin. It achieves this by dividing a single transaction into multiple layers, which are then encoded and decoded using multiple volunteering computers, which are called as the miners. So any one of us can be a miner. We just need to volunteer a certain part of our processing power of our computer for this purpose. This made the Bitcoin a very secure and fast method for transactions. So then what are these altcoins or alternate cryptocurrency? The Bitcoin was created with the sole purpose of it being a currency. But as the time and technology progressed, various changes and adjustments were made to the structure and new cryptocurrencies were created, which are called as alternate coins or altcoins. Let's take the second most valuable cryptocurrency, the Ethereum, for example. The currency part of the Ethereum is called an ETH or ETH, but the Ethereum blockchain can do multiple tasks such as implementing smart contracts which cannot be modified once created and assigned to an object. This same concept was used to create the non-fungible tokens, or popularly known as the NFTs. We are going to make a separate video on NFTs, so make sure to subscribe to my channel. So right now there are over 4,000 cryptocurrencies in the market, and they are adding more and more every day. There are both advantages and disadvantages to these cryptocurrencies. The decentralized nature of these cryptocurrencies allow them to be more secure. At the same time, this same nature makes them very volatile. That's why you see very big jumps and dips in the prices of these cryptocurrencies. I hope this video was helpful and you were able to get some value out of this. If you did, then make sure to click on the like button below and let me know in the comments down below if you are planning to buy any of these cryptocurrencies. This is it for the video. See you in the next one. Until then, stay safe, stay happy.